Hey guys, welcome to week 5. We're going to be looking really closely at workflow and how that pertains to technology. So for your individual assignment, you're going to be mapping out a process, and I encourage you to be narrow with the process that you select. I'm looking for a lot of detail. So for instance, instead of just saying fill out screens in Epic to admit patient, I want list of every single screen that you fill out. So it's important to be extremely detailed, because if you're not, you miss important workflow steps. So for example, if a person has to walk to a printer in order to get a piece of paper and then walk back, those are two separate steps. And that's the level of detail I'm looking for. And again, this is important because as we're assessing how things are done, we really need to understand exactly what happens in order for processes to be complete. The other thing is, normally our discussion is due Wednesday and then your replies are due on Friday. So your main post is still due Wednesday of this week, but your reply posts are not due until Sunday night due to the holiday. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I look forward to another great week with you guys.